Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring Australia, a land of stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, unique wildlife, and modern lifestyle. From the food to the mountains, the people to the hospitals, we'll see it all. Let's dive in. Section 1. Daily life in Australia. Life in Australia is a mix of urban sophistication and natural beauty. Most Australians enjoy a relaxed lifestyle balancing work and leisure. Cities like Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane are bustling with cafes, shopping centers, and public parks. Public transport is reliable, and people are generally very friendly and helpful. Section 2. Food and Cuisine 1T. Australian cuisine is diverse, reflecting its multicultural society. You'll find everything from classic meat pies and fish and chips to modern dishes influenced by Asian and European flavors. Fresh seafood is a highlight, especially in coastal cities. Don't forget to try Vegemite, a traditional Australian spread, even though it has a very unique taste. Section 3. Wildlife and Animals 230. Australia is famous for its wildlife. Kangaroos and koalas are the most iconic animals, often seen in wildlife parks. You can also spot wombats, wallabies, and a variety of colorful birds. Marine life is equally impressive, with the Great Barrier Reef hosting countless fish, corals, and turtles. Australia truly is a nature lover's paradise. Section 4. Hospitals and Healthcare. Healthcare in Australia is modern and accessible. Public hospitals provide high-quality care, and private hospitals offer specialized services. Cities have well-equipped medical facilities, while rural areas may require travel for major treatments. Overall, Australians enjoy one of the best healthcare systems in the world. Section 5. Buildings and Architecture. Australia's architecture is a mix of historic and modern. Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge are iconic landmarks. In Melbourne, you'll find European-style buildings alongside modern skyscrapers. The cities are clean, well-planned, and safe, making walking and exploring a pleasure. Section 6. People and Culture. Australians are known for being friendly, open-minded, and multicultural. The population is diverse, with people from all over the world living together peacefully. Sports, outdoor activities, and community events play a big role in daily life. You'll also find a deep respect for Aboriginal culture, which is integral to Australia's identity. Section 7. Mountains and Natural Landscapes 630. Australia is not just beaches, it has stunning mountains and natural beauty. The Blue Mountains, Snowy Mountains, and Grampians are perfect for hiking, photography, and adventure. The landscapes range from dense forests to rugged cliffs and offer breathtaking views. Nature in Australia is always just a short drive away. Australia is a country that truly has something for everyone. From urban life and modern healthcare to wildlife, mountains, and delicious food. It's a